Welcome to Costbucket. We will have a quick demo review of the software. First, let's start by adding the opening cache in the drawer and process a sale by adding products to the cart and click on the green checkout button. We then will review the left menu by clicking on the toggle in the top left corner to open up the options. The product summary report shows the quantity sold of each product and the value for the day. Easily add a customer to your accounting software, which then is immediately available as an option to select to process a sale. Sync the point of sale with a cloud account to get updates on prices, products, descriptions, filters, categories or color. View the total sales processed on the physical point-of-sale terminal for the day irrespective of the number of shifts or users. View sales log transactions for up to 7 days with the option to see what is in process, failed or successfully transferred to the cloud accounting software. This highlights sales by day, customer, reference number, payment type. The user summary report is for the active session that the user is logged in and processing sales. A new session is created whenever the user closes the register and log back into work. General settings allow you to manage your credit card machine, the number of columns and rows you would like to display on the point-of-sale screen, manage any foreign currency conversions, and your password for logging in if you do not have an active internet. Printer settings allow you to connect your receipt printer via Bluetooth, USB or Wi-Fi. If you click on the link for the order printer, here you set up the printer for the back office, kitchen, storeroom, warehouse etc. Fulfillment is linked to the sales log. It is used to track customer orders where the client has paid for the products in full, but collecting them partially and require a delivery receipt. Diagnostics are used during customer support sessions, to send software performance reports to Costbucket for further analysis. Close the register at the end of each work session, and at the end of the day by keying in the cash value in the drawer. Easily search for a customer and save their order by clicking on the blue Save Order button. This will save all products to the shopping cart in the top left corner. You can then click on the shopping cart to view the saved orders, open to modify and save them again or close out the sale. Click on the printer icon to do receipt reprints. The menu to the right of the printer gives the search options via filters and categories. Filters are anything you want them to be. They are linked to the products and to help you find what you need faster. If you select a filter then go to categories, you will view only the products matching the categories and filters selected. You can also view products only by filters or only by categories. Long press on a product button to view additional information about the product. Long press on a product in the cart to modify the product price and quantity. Add special notes to be included on the order that prints out on the second printer in the back.